Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to mint the Plume Goon NFT on Plume Incentivized Testnet. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So we'll be needing Mrs. Browser for this. So let's head to mice.plumenetwork.xyz .xyz. Here's what we're doing. Here's what we're looking for. Just click on it. So here's what it looks like. You need to connect your wallet, mint your Plume Goon, supercharge your testnet campaign with extra miles. Click on connect wallet. Connect the same wallet you used for the testnet. Log in with your wallet. Be using MetaMask for this. Then click on next. Confirm. So you need to sign on your wallet. Click on sign. So just click on sign in. So here's what you see. Welcome to Plume Testnet campaign. Here are some free Plume miles to get you started. Get started. Switch network. Switch to Plume Testnet. Then confirm in your wallet. Approve. Switch network. So mint your NFT. Click on mint NFT. So you need to get faucet to mint the NFT. So click on go to faucet. Connect your wallet. MetaMask. Using MetaMask, just connect to get faucet. Next, confirm. Working on it, we are getting your tokens. This may take a few seconds. So mission accomplished. You receive 0.001 testnet Ethereum in your wallet within 1 minute. So let's check. So click on mint NFT again. Confirm. So you have minted your NFT successfully. So guys, that's all about the Plume Goon NFT. You can see welcome to the Goon squad. This NFT qualifies you for extra miles, multipliers, rerolls and more. That's all about the Plume Network NFT for now. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, and the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.